EJ, your best partner for fastening solutions in the building industry. EJ solar fasteners are specially developed for securing uprights in solar and photovoltaic installations. With the latest EJ solar fastenings, made of high-quality stainless steel A2, you can fix your new solar and photovoltaic installations securely and simply. Whether you have an existing roof or a new building, you always have to pre-drill the substructure with a new diameter. If the substructures are made of wood, you have to pre-drill with 0.7 times the screw diameter. Put on the storm washer and fix the solar fastener with a commercial screwdriver. The usage of an impact wrench is not recommended. Nearly 25% of the sealing material has to be compressed. Where the substructures are made of steel, the pre-drill diameter depends on the thickness of the substructure. Please find the appropriate diameter in the technical section of our catalog or in the enclosed chart. The screws can be used for trapezoidal or sinusoidal profile sheets, sandwich element and fiber cement sheets. Quick and simple to install, the EJ system guarantees water tightness and high load carrying capacity. Furthermore, it allows exact adjustment of your new solar system. With an existing roof, the screws may be removed and replaced by the EJ solar fasteners easily. Remember to make sure the drill hole diameter is correct. Pre-drill with a new diameter appropriate to the substructure. Put the storm washer onto the existing hole of the cover shell. Now you can screw down the solar fasteners into the substructure. EJ solar fasteners can be used for all popular rail systems. The stainless steel mounting plate can be easily fixed between the already assembled nuts. You only need 2 wrenches with wrench size 17. The EJ Solar Fastener is a German Building Institute approved product that meets your requirements in permanency, carrying capacity and accuracy. EJ, with its decades of experience in the building industry, is a byword for quality. The complete package consists of all the necessary nuts and washers, as well as sealing washer and EJ Orkan storm washer, which are made to the accurate specifications of our technicians. For sinusoidal fiber cement sheets, we recommend our sealing washer FZD. The screw is anchored in the substructure and transfers all the tensile loads and pressure forces into the substructure with no additional load for the roof shell. Our solar fasteners are approved by the German building authorities.